So hello guys, so the topic today is about integration by parts. So this topic is under to the integral calculus. So ito yung formula niya guys, UV minus the integral of V du. So ginagamit mo kapag ang isang integral guys, hindi siya pwedeng u and du lang agad. So ginagamit ito pag meron siyang integral na mahirap siyang i-integrate. So, kailangan na gamitan ng UV minus the integral of V du. So, etong liate na to, ito yung pinaka-format niya na kailangan natin sundin. So, para mas ma-appreciate nyo, let's proceed for the first problem. So, tandaan yung word na liate. So, liate. So, it means that L is for logarithmic, and I is for the inverse, and A for the algebraic, T is for trigonometric, and E is for the exponential. So, first, titingnan natin ano yung nauna. Itong AX is algebraic. Itong cosine X will be trigonometric. So, from the word liate, nauna yung algebraic. So, yun yung letter A natin. Yun yung letter U natin. While yung T natin is cosine X. So, cosine of X. dx. Then siya yung dv natin na. So, derivative ng u is dx. While the integral nito, integrate natin sila. So, the integral of cosine X will be sine of X. Gets? So, ito na yung u natin, ito yung du, and this will be the v. So, from the formula, uv minus the integral of v du. Gets? So, yung u natin, plug and play na lang. U and v. U natin is x. Ano yung v natin? Sine of x. Minus integral of v natin is sine of x. Then, du natin will be dx. So, x sine x minus the integral of sine x is negative cosine of x plus c. So, x sine x positive, pinag-multiply ko yung dalawang negative, and plus c. So, this will be the final answer guys. So, ito na yung final answer natin. Gets guys? So, ganun ginagamit yung integration by parts. Ginagamit to kapag hindi siya pwedeng i-let u lang kaagad. Pag nilet u ko ba to, makukuha ko to. Ito cosine x, hindi siya, di ba? Pag nilet u ko to, makukuha mo yung sine x, ax. Pag dinerivative ko, hindi siya. So, gagamitan natin ng integration by parts. So, sa part na to, in-integrate ko to, bakit hindi ako nag-add ng c? Hindi tayo mag-a-add ng c kasi gagamit pa tayo ng formula ng uv minus integral of v du. Gets? So, this will be the final answer. So, for the next problem guys, x is the integral of x ln x dx. So, from the liate, so una, yung a natin is for algebraic. So, ito yung A. And this will be the letter L, logarithmic. So, kung mapapansin nyo, nauna yung letter L. So, siya yung u natin. And the derivative of this is dx over x. While the algebraic integral, yun yung v natin, dv is equals to x dx. Integrate ko sila both sides. Makukuha ko v and x squared all over 2 from the power formula. Gets guys? So, from the formula, uv minus the integral of v du. U will be ln of x. The v will be x squared all over 2 minus, ginagaya ko lang yung formula guys ha, minus the integral of v du natin is dx all over x. So, cancel to. Cancel. May matitirang isa. Gets? Then, itong 1/2, lalabas ko na. Gets? Then, 1/2 x squared ln of x minus 1/2 the integral of x dx. Gets? So, next is that itong integral nito is from the power formula. Ln x minus 1/2. So, from the power formula, x squared all over 2 plus 3. So, next, 1/2 of x squared ln x minus 1 all over 4 x squared plus 3. So, pinag-times ko lang itong dalawa. So, nakuha ko 1 all over 4. So, this will be the final answer, guys, for that problem. Gets? Next tayo. So, ln of x squared dx. So, ano yung magiging u natin dyan? Liate. So, this will be the u kasi logarithmic. And yung v natin, dv, will be the dx. Siya yung algebraic natin. Gets, guys? So, game. Integrate natin. U will be ln of x squared. The derivative of t is from the kung 2 dadalhin natin sa harap, chain rule, then copy the ln x, then the derivative of ln x dx all over x ln of x. Gets, guys? Paano x? This will be an x, guys. So, ganito yan, guys. ln of squared. Yan. Chain rule natin. Chain rule. Then, copy yung nasa loob ng parenthesis. Then, the derivative ng nasa loob ng parenthesis is dx all over x. So, yung naging sagot, 2 ln x dx over x. Gets? Yung dv natin is equals to dx. Integrate them both sides. So, dv will be x. So, this will be the v. Gets? So, next is that from the formula uv minus v du. U is ln squared of x. V will be, what's the value of v? It's x. Minus the integral of v is x, then the du is 2 ln of x all over x dx. Cancel? Cancel. So, yung 2, dadalhin ko na sa harap. So, ln of x squared of x minus 2, the integral of ln x dx. Gets, guys? So, another na naman. Pag nag-let u ba ako dito, may makukuha akong value. Di ba? Wala. So, another integration by parts na naman yan. So, dito tayo. Oops. Ito na yung ABP2 natin. Another integration by parts na naman yan. X ln of squared of x minus. So, dito guys, kunan na natin yung value ng u. So, from u will be the ln of x from the liate, and the du of this will be dx all over x. And the dv, ano yung dv natin dito? Dx. And integrate them both sides, v will be x. So, this will be an x. Oops. X. Yan. Gets? So, IPP2 tayo. Minus. Ito na yung minus ha, guys. Minus 2. Then, yung u v minus the integral of v du. Gets? So, x ln squared of x minus 2. Ano yung u natin, guys? Is ln of x. v natin will be x minus the integral of v is x, then the du will be dx all over x. Gets? So, substitute, distribute lang natin to. Etong 2 dito. Distribute and distribute. Kasama yung negative sign na guys. So, x ln squared of x minus 2x ln of x plus 2. So, this will be cancel na to. So, negative times the negative will be positive. Gets? Positive, then yung 2 kasama, kaya may 2 siya dito. Then, the integral symbol and the dx. So, x ln squared of x minus 2x ln of x plus 2. The integral of dx will be x plus c. So, the answer is x ln x squared minus 2x ln x plus 2x plus c. So, this will be our final answer for that problem. So, pwede siyang mag-integration by parts ng pangalawang beses. Pwedeng pangatlo, pangapat, panglima, pang-anim, pito, hanggang dulo guys, hanggang makuha yung answer. Gets? So, yung magiging u natin dito guys is what? Tangent inverse tan. Oh, wait. So, yung a natin will be an algebraic and t will be the I will be the inverse. So, nauna yung inverse. So, u natin is tangent of negative 1 of x. And then the derivative ng tangent, inverse tangent, is what? Dx over 1 plus x squared, diba guys? Derivative ng inverse tan yan. Formula niya yan, formula. Yan. The next, the dv is equals to what? Dx. Then, integrate them 1 by 1. So, our v will be an x. So, from the formula, u, v minus the integral of v du. U is tangent raised to negative 1 of x. V will be x minus the integral of v. Then the du will be dx over 1 plus x squared. Gets? So, x tangent raised to negative 1 of x minus x dx all over 1 plus x squared. So, our u, so dito guys, pwede tayo mag-let u and du. So, our u is 1 plus x squared. Kasi pag dinerivative natin yan, makukuha lang natin 2x dx. Gets guys? And ang dx natin is equals to du all over 2x. Gets? So, proceed tayo dito. X tangent raised to negative 1 of x minus the integral of x. Gawin ko ng bracket. Then the dx. And in dx guys, the value of dx what? Du all over 2x over, this will be the u. Gets? So, this will be cancel and cancel. So, ang natira is 2. So, labas ko na siya, magiging 1/2. So, x tangent of raised to negative 1 of x minus 1/2 the integral of du all over u. Gets, guys? So, x tangent raised to negative 1 of x minus 1/2. We know that the du all over u is equals to ln of u plus c. Gets, guys? So, ln of u plus c. So, the value of u is what? Minus 1/2. Ln of u, the value of u is 1 plus x squared plus c. So, this will be the final answer for that problem, guys. Gets? So, the next problem is the integral of x dx over 1 plus x squared. So, Ang magandang gawin dito kapag nakakita ng ganitong problem with fraction is convert muna natin ng negative yung fraction niya by 1 plus x raised to negative 2 dx. So our u here will be x e raised to x. Then the derivative of this from the power rule, u v plus v du, udv. Yan, udv from the product formula ng derivative. U is x, the derivative of ex plus v, then the derivative of x will be 1 only. So, wag na natin sulat. So, dx. So, our dv will be 1 plus x raised to negative 2 dx. Integrate them both sides. So, makukuha natin dito v. So, pag nag-let nyo tayo dito 1 plus x, yung u natin. Then the du will be dx. So, u raised to negative 2. Kasi yung 1 plus x natin will be u daw. Then yung exponent na negative 2. Then du. V, then from the power formula, u negative 2 plus 1, negative 2 plus 1, plus c. V is negative 1 over u plus c. So, the value of our u, burahin ko na, palitan lang natin ang value niya na 1 plus x. So, meron na tayong u, v, then du. So, nakumpleto na natin yung formula na u, v minus the integral of v du. So, ang gagawin natin dyan is plug and play. So, u will be x e raised to x. V will be negative 1 over 1 plus x minus the integral of v and the du. The du will be x ex plus e raised to x dx. Gets? So, negative ng 1 plus x. So, x e raised to x. So, positive na yan. Negative times negative, positive. The integral of e raised to x. Nag-factor out na ako ng value niya, guys. So, will be this equals to x plus 1 dx all over 1 plus x. So, nag-factor out lang ako nito ng ex, x plus 1 dx. So, ito yun. Nag-factor out lang ako ng ex. Gets yun na, guys. Gets. So, cancel. So, x e raised to x, 1 plus x, negative, plus the integral of e raised to x dx. Baka magtaka kayo bakit nag-cancel tong x plus 1 tsaka 1 plus x. Kahit din sila magkamukha, sabihin nyo, magkamukha yan, guys. X plus 1 and 1 plus x, marehas lang yan. Pinagbaliktad lang. Pero kung x minus 1 and 1 minus x, hindi na yan magkamukha. So, ito magkamukha kasi positive lang. Then, ito will negative sila. So, hindi sila magkamukha. Wag. So, next, we know that the integral of eu du will be eu plus t. Gets negative x e raised to x and then 1 plus x plus e raised to x plus t. So, this will be our final answer for that problem. Gets? So, game. The next problem is the integral of ex cosine x dx. So, from the liate, ang nauna is, wait, sulat na natin para hindi na kayong magtaka. O game, this will be the e and this will be the t. So, nauna yung letter t. So, u natin is cosine of x. Well, the dv ex dx. Then, integrate them 1 by 1. Negative sine x dx, guys, gets derivative ng u. The cosine x is equals to negative sine x dx. So, from the formula ng integration by parts, plug and play na lang yan. Cosine x, v natin is ax minus the integral of v du. So, e raised to x minus, so positive na yan, negative times negative, positive. So, makikita nyo, pwede pa siyang i-integration by parts 2 IBP 2 gets. So, yung u natin dito, will be from the liat yung e natin will be the exponential. So, matik siya na yung sa dv. Well, the u will be sine of x. So, integrate them 1 by 1. v is equals to x. Then the du will be what? Cosine of x. So, e raised to x cosine of x plus IBV natin to u v minus the integral of v du. Gets? So, e x cosine of x. Copy-paste lang. Then, plug and play. Yung u natin, sine of x. Yung v natin, e raised to x. Minus the integral of v. Du natin will be cosine of x. Oops, may dx yan. Cosine of x, dx. So, e raised to x cosine of x plus e raised to x sine of x minus integral of e raised to x cosine of x dx. Kung mapapansin nyo, guys, is naulit siya, di ba? Ito, etong equation na to is, ito yung ini-integrate natin, di ba? Ito lang rin yun, di ba? So, naulit siya, di ba? So, ibig sabihin, i-equate natin siya dito sa dito, guys, ha? So, ganito yun. Sulat natin yung tanong. Mismong tanong, susulat natin ex cosine x dx equals, susulat natin to, e raised to x cosine of x plus e raised to x sine of x minus the integral e raised to x cosine of x dx. Kailan ginagawa itong ini-equate natin? Ginagawa ito ang pag-equate kapag ang isang problem na ulit lang. Yung question, guys, na ulit lang. So, doon siya natin i-equate. So, next, transpose, lipat sa kabila, magiging positive sign na yan pag nilipat na, di ba? X dx plus, sinusulat ko na siya, guys, naging positive na kasi nalipat plus, oops, this will be a ex cosine x plus e raised to x sine of x. Gets, guys? So, pag pinag-add natin to,
mga matutudyo.
kapag pinag-add natin to, may 1 to, may invisible 1. So, this will be 2. 2. Oops. Wait. 2 e raised to x cosine of x dx is equals to e raised to x cosine of x plus e raised to x sine of x. So, next is divide them both sides by 2. Cancel to. So, e raised to x cosine of x dx equals to 1/2 ng e raised to x cosine of x plus 1/2. Dinistribute ko lang yung 1/2 guys sin x. So, this will be the final answer guys for that problem guys. Bakit nagtataka kayo bakit walang plus c? Kasi wala tayong in-integrate banda dito. Banda sa right side. Kasi nilipat na natin siya. So magiging 2. Then dito wala nang integral sign. Diba wala na. Wala nang ganyan. So wala na tayong add na c. Wala na. So dito na lang siya. So this will be the final answer na kagad gets. So hello guys, so the next problem is the secant cube x dx. So to integrate this guys is babasagin muna natin. Oops. So babasagin natin, gawin natin secant x and secant squared x dx. Ito, tsaka to, same lang. Kasi product from the loss of exponent, pag product, the exponent will add. So, may 1 yan dito. So, since product sila, 2 plus 1 will be 3. So, gets guys? So, yung u natin dito, automatically, yung lower exponent. So, the derivative of this, secant of x, tangent of x, dx. Well, yung dv natin dito is secant squared of x dx. Then, integrate them 1 by 1. So, v is equals to tangent of x. So, from the formula, u, v minus the integral of v, du. So, u, what is the value of u? Secant of x. V, tangent of x, minus the integral of v, the du. Plug and play lang yan guys So, next, secant of x, tangent of x, minus the integral of tangent squared of x, secant of x, dx. So, hindi tayo pwede agad mag-let u na lang dito. Ang gagawin natin dyan is expand natin ang tangent squared of x. So, this as a value of secant squared of x minus 1. So, from the Pythagorean identities. So, nilipat ko lang yung 1 doon, naging negative. Gets? So, secant of x, tangent of x dx, minus the integral of secant squared of x minus 1, and then the secant of x dx. Secant of x, tangent of x dx, minus the integral of secant cube of x dx, plus the integral of secant of x dx. Dinistribute ko lang yan guys kasama ang secant of x. Kung mapapansin nyo guys, ito kung ito guys, mapapansin nyo is nahulit na naman guys, naulit. So ito is the problem na gusto nating i-integrate. Ito yun. So, nakita nyo, naulit lang. So, ang gagawin natin dyan is rewrite, then equate. Equate lang natin siya. Plus the integral of secant of x dx. So, equals to equals. Ito, transpose. Magiging positive. So, this will be the secant of x, tangent of x, plus the integral of secant of, this will be just a secant of x. So, kung mapapansin nyo guys, may invisible 1 yan dito, may invisible 1. So, 1 plus 1, this will be the 2 secant cube of x dx is equals to secant of x, tangent of x plus the integral of secant of x dx. So, divide natin both sides by 2 para mag-cancel ito. Then, kung mapapansin nyo, yung secant cube of x dx is equals na siya sa 2 secant of x tangent of x plus integral nito is ln of secant of x plus the tangent of x plus c. Doon pa lang ang plus c, guys, ha? Gets? So, iwalay lang natin yung 1/2. So, this will be e secant. So, 1/2 secant of x tangent of x plus 1/2 ng ilan ln secant of x plus the tangent of x plus c. So, this will be our final answer for that problem, guys. So, ito yun, guys. Gets, guys? So, that's all, guys. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.